The dream of the ultimate all-in-one computer didn't die in 2021, it just went into hiding. For 5 years, Apple has forced the world's most elite creative professionals into a compromise. They told us that if we wanted real power, we had to buy a Mac Studio Tower and a separate display, cluttering our desks with cables and bricks. They told us the Pro moniker was reserved for modular systems. But today, the silence has been broken. The leaks from the supply chain are no longer just whispers, they are a roar. Apple is bringing back the iMac Pro. And this time, they aren't just putting a Pro sticker on a 27-inch screen. They are building a 32-inch monster that is designed to make every other desktop on the planet look like a relic from a slower era. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are a filmmaker, a 3D artist, a software developer, or just someone who refuses to settle for entry-level hardware, you need to stop everything. If you were about to click Buy on a Mac Studio or a high-spec 24-inch iMac, pause. Because the M5 Max iMac Pro isn't just a new computer, it is the most powerful integrated machine Apple has ever dared to conceive. In this video, we are stripping away the rumors and looking at the cold, hard data. We're talking about the shift to a 32-inch 6K mini LED display that mimics the Pro Display XDR. We're talking about the M5 Max Silicon, a chip that handles 8K video streams like their standard definition. And we're answering the one question everyone is terrified to ask. Is this the machine that finally kills the Mac Pro Tower for good? Let's go back to 2017 for a second. The original space gray iMac Pro was a legend. It was a stopgap for the delayed Mac Pro, but it accidentally became the favorite tool for Hollywood editors. When it was discontinued, it left a massive 27-inch sized hole in our hearts. Apple gave us the 24-inch M1, M3, and M4 iMacs, but let's be honest, those are family computers. They're great for Zoom calls and light photo editing, but try pushing a 100-gigabyte 3D project through them, and you'll hear the fans crying for mercy. The 2026 iMac Pro is the apology we've been waiting for. The first thing you'll notice, the thing that will make you majboor to watch this entire breakdown, is the screen. We are moving beyond 27 inches. The supply chain reports from BOE and LG Display confirm that Apple has secured a massive order for 32-inch panels. But these aren't just larger versions of the current iMac screens. These are promotion, 120 Hz, mini LED panels. Think about what that means. 1,600 nits of peak brightness. True 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, to 1 contrast ratios. This is essentially a $5,000 Pro Display XDR built directly into the computer. For the first time, you can edit HDR content in its native glory without needing a separate $1,000 stand or a tangled mess of Thunderbolt cables. It is the cleanest, most professional setup in history. But why 32 inches? Because in 2026, screen real estate is the new currency. Whether you're managing an insane timeline in Premiere Pro, running multiple virtual machines, or coding the next big AI model, 24 inches is a cage. 32 inches is a canvas. And with the M5 Pro and M5 Max chips inside, that canvas is backed by an engine that doesn't know how to slow down. Let's talk about that M5 Max Silicon.